Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DirecTV app not working on Samsung TV, cache, update and reinstall. Fix 1. Perform a power cycle. You just have to unplug the Samsung TV from the power outlet. Then wait for full 60 seconds and plug the TV back into the wall socket directly and turn on the TV again. Fix to reinstall the DirecTV app. First of all, you have to press the home button on your remote and move to the apps, then select settings. Then there you have to find the DirecTV app and select it. Then you have to choose delete to remove all the apps. Then press the return button and use a search icon to search for a DirecTV and reinstall the DirecTV app again. Fix 3. Clear the TV cache and storage. For that, you have to open the TV and then move to the TV settings. Then there you have to select support and click on device care. Then choose self-diagnose or manage storage. Then you have to clear system cache and then delete unused apps. Fix 4. Update the TV software. You just have to open the TV settings and then click on support. Then there you have to choose software update and click on update now to download any available software updates. Fix 5. Reset Smart Hub. For that you have to open the TV and navigate to setting and select support and go to device care. Then you have to choose self-diagnose and click on reset Smart Hub. Then you have to enter your PIN. Thanks for watching.